Is everyone clear of the winch?
All clear, Cap.
Start the rotation.
All right, diver, we are initiating descent now. Copy that, Control. Systems check green.
Look at the stress fractures here at the bow.
The structural integrity is compromised across zones 3 and 4.
Maximum stress tolerance is lower than anticipated.
Now she's shifting weight. Stabilizers engaging. Hold steady.
Weight confirmed, 45 kilograms. Recorded. Total count updated.
Scanner shows severe thinning here.
Copy that. Marking it now. We need to reassess the structural integrity of frame 42.
Given the shifting cargo weight, the stress fractures here are critical.
Agreed. We prioritize reinforcement on the midsection beams immediately.
The starboard scan is complete.
Confirmed. Shifting focus to the cargo compartment fracture points.
The gap just opened another 5 millimeters. It's unstable.
Get the secondary braces secured now. Move!
This section is heavily compromised.
Thermal imaging confirms severe corrosion beneath the plating.
Clear on the left. Bring it up slow. Tension is good. Hold her steady now.
Weld integrity confirmed on this section.
Good. Moving on to the bow plating next.
Housing secure. Initiating mechanism now.
It's rising smoothly. Looking good.
Incredible. The ingot markings match the manifest.
Confirmed visual. Logging the data now.
2 tons accounted for.
All stations, confirm readiness for launch.
Bridge confirms ready. Proceeding with sequence.
Reporting for duty, Captain. The cargo is secured.
Very good, Lieutenant. Welcome aboard.